Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is Importance of Plants and Trees. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today is lecture 7 under the title of Language Focus. We are going to learn about how to recognize and respond to command. Right? How to recognize and respond to command. Before this, in Unit 7, I have taught you how to offer basic greetings. So how do we talk to each other? How do we start talking? And now we are going to learn further to recognize physically and orally, respond to and use simple sentences showing a request and command in a school scenario. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah An-Nisa verse 59, O you who believe, obey Allah and obey the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam and those charged with authority among you. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is teaching us that first of all we should obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and after them we should follow authority. And what does authority mean? A person who is responsible, like you are sitting in school, your teacher is the authority. If teacher is not around and she deputes class monitor, he or she becomes authority. So we should follow them. But it is very important to keep the discipline, right? At home, we should follow our parents, our elders. Even if our parents are not around, we should follow our elder siblings. Do you understand? Because Allah is saying they are authority and they will always tell us good things, inshallah, right? So before starting, you tell me what is a request and what is a command. Do you know anything about them? What is request and what is command? So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, what is a request? Request means we ask someone for something or to do something, right? If we need something, we make a request. And if we want to do something, we make a request to our elders that I want to do this. For example, please give me a pencil. Right? If you are talking to your friend and you need a pencil, you can say, please give me a pencil. Beta, so we know this please is a good word, and while making requests, we should say please. Please open the door. So this is you need a pencil, that's why you are making a request. And here you want someone to open the door, that's why you are making a request. And while sitting in classroom, how you will talk to your teacher? May I come in, please? So teacher, may I come in, please? May I go to the toilet, please? If you need to go to the toilet, you will make a request like this. Teacher, may I go to toilet, please? May I wash my hands, please? Like whatever you want to do, first you will make a request to your teacher, you will take permission. May I borrow your pencil? This is how you will talk to your friend, like I need a pencil, may I borrow your pencil? May I drink some water, please? So beta, while sitting in classroom, it doesn't like you are thirsty and you open your water bottle to start drinking. First, you should make a request, raise a hand. Make a request to your teacher. Teacher, may I drink some water, please? Then open water bottle and drink water. So what is command? A command is an order or the authority to order. And you know, beta, command means when an elder is talking to youngers, right? So that, and they are saying something to do, okay? And even if you talk to your sibling, you can talk in this like a younger one, but when your elders say it, you should follow it, okay? When your elders command something, you should follow it. For example, your teacher says, stay quiet. What does it mean? You need not talk, you should stay quiet. And what Allah wants us, what's Allah's command? Establish salah, offer namaz. Are you learning how to offer namaz? Good job. So beta, this is Allah's command. So in classroom, if your teacher say, raise your hand, who knows the answer? So what you will do? It's a command. You should not speak. You should only raise your hand. Teacher says, now listen carefully, be quiet. So you should be quiet, okay? So it is command. When teacher asks you, you should follow it. Sit down. Teacher says, okay, all of you sit down. You should sit down. Stand up. So you should stand up. Write. Teacher wants you, okay, write the answer. So you should write it. And if teacher wants you to go to bathroom and wash your hands or face. So these are the commands which you should understand. Like if your teacher is saying, you should understand it and you should respond to it accordingly, right? Are you clear? So let's practice it through an activity. Now teacher will divide class in pairs. One student will command, other will respond. In next round, one will request and the other will respond. Okay? Do you understand? So pause the video, enjoy the activity and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now all of you settle down. Let's practice it from your book. Open your book on page number 67. What you will do? You will read the sentence and find out if it is request, write R, and if it is a command, write C in the space given. So read carefully, understand it, and complete this task in your book. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now I'm giving you a homework. You will practice 5 requests and 5 commands with your younger sibling, and if it is possible, make its video and share it with your teacher. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to recognize and respond to commands and requests orally and physically in school scenario. So we achieved our SLO to recognize, physically and orally respond to and use simple sentences showing request and commands in a school scenario. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.